How's it going, everyone? Real quick update video just to let you guys all know where I'm at with the car and where we're at right now. For one, we got the radio fixed, and I will show you. All right, radio. Guys went for a tumble. All right, so radio is in. I did end up getting a new one. This is a Pioneer head unit. Does work, super happy. It's got Bluetooth, aux, USB, pretty much everything I want. Camera, rear view for when I eventually hook that up. I did do the brake bypass in it as well, so I can watch, you know, movies and stuff while I'm driving. This does play DVDs as well. No, guys, I did not buy the little template faceplate in order to make this look more flush and better. I just wanted to get the thing in the car, honestly, and I didn't really care because I'm still debating if I want to keep the wires running through here at the bottom and then just come out and kind of hang, or I might push them back, run them down and through here all the way into my center console and just drill holes. Still deciding which course I want to go. Honestly, it doesn't bother me if I do just keep these here. It's not gonna bother me. I have something else on pre-order that will be replacing this entire thing anyways, so that's for eventually down the road once it gets done. So this, for being temporary, doesn't really bother me, but it is working. I have music. I'm happy. Another big thing that I just did, if you guys just saw from that little beginning clip, could probably guess what it is. Looks pretty good, right? That is a 15 by 8.5 Steely. I think it has a, I really want to say a -6 offset, which is pretty crazy, pretty aggressive. And the tire on it is a 275/50/15 Nitto drag radial. Super hyped. I can't drive with them yet because this center hub is bigger than mine on my car, so I'm waiting for the hub centric rings to come in to make it perfectly, you know, flush. I don't want to drive on them just yet. Probably how they are now, I probably could get away with it. They're pretty centered in there. So honestly, right now, if I wanted to, I probably could drive it, but I just don't want to take the chance. You can see right here, perfect example. I need a ring to go from my hub to the hub of the wheel. So I ordered it, it's on the way, just waiting. But this powder coat is a candy raspberry, and pictures and video does not do it justice, guys. In the sun, it kind of goes to a lighter pinkish almost color. In the real dark, it's a real dark raspberry, and then it has tons of sparkle and flake in it. So my fiance picked it out, and I might do all my wheels this color because it's pretty dope. Nice little painted brake caliper back there. I can't wait to start rolling around on these things. So hope you guys like that quick little update, and we'll see you in the next install. Deuces.